From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather today.
Hey folks, happy Thursday to you, and thank you for stopping by Tennessee Valley Weather. I'm Ben Luna here in the Weather Center tracking your forecast for today, which is going to look pretty good. Pretty nice weather outside. Going to be a good taste of spring, warm, partly cloudy, but tomorrow, completely different story as we look ahead to Friday night. Here's the breakdown for you. Backing up with the rewind into yesterday, Wednesday, saw a big old batch of showers work its way across the area. That batch was here pretty much most of the day before things finally started to clear out a little bit overnight. And now for today, we're going to be left with partly cloudy skies. In fact, things should be looking pretty good as we head through the midday and afternoon, and along with the south breeze. It's really going to warm things up today back into the upper 70s, if not, I think, even the 80s, in a few spots down toward the Tennessee River. Unfortunately, that's going to be short-lived. What we've got that's going to work through the area, more cloud coverage builds in here for Friday morning, and then most of the day tomorrow is going to be left dry, short of maybe a few thunderstorms north of I-40, and then looking ahead to Friday night and into early Saturday, well, that's where things start to look a little bit more on the rocky side for us. Here's a look at the bigger picture. Notice the system is going to be working through the area around 11 o'clock Friday night. Now, the timing on this is still subject to change a little bit, okay? Looking at the potential for this moving up in time still, we are nailing down those details, and we'll be updating this as we get closer into this event, all right? But nevertheless, be very careful and watch how this forecast is going to play out from the mid-state region all the way through central Alabama and back into portions of northeast Mississippi through tomorrow night and maybe early Saturday morning for points east of I-65. All right, now the good news, we will clear things out as we head through the day. Saturday around here, overall, we're going to see a partly cloudy sky by the afternoon. And then Sunday, not half bad to start. However, by Sunday night, you'll notice another system is going to be trying to move up in here from the south, and that's going to increase shower and storm chances late that night and into Monday. So kind of a couple of rounds, a bookend to the weekend of strong to even possibly severe storms. As things are playing out right now, the core of the severe weather threat comes almost to our viewing area. It is kind of centered over northeast Mississippi and portions of central and west Alabama. But again, this is evolving, and I think we could see this pull up more so across our region. Regardless of the core, we still are under a threat for strong to severe storms from that system here tomorrow evening. Could see some twisting wind leading into a tornado threat, so stay weather aware as you head through your Friday evening and early Saturday morning. We'll continue to update this forecast as we head through the next day or so with Kelly at noon and then Fred live at 5 this evening on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. Here's a look at your Parks Lumber Day Builder forecast, stepping through your day already in the 70s under a partly cloudy sky by noon. More clouds will thin out as the day progresses, seeing the upper 70s, and like I said a second ago, the low 80s across parts of the area. Notice 80 in Rogersville, 81 in the Shoals, the same for folks in Athens and Decatur, 79 in Columbia, 78 in Lawrenceburg and Waynesboro, 79 in Pulaski, and 77 in downtown Hohenwald. Here's a look at lows for tomorrow morning. Many of you will start in the low to mid 60s here for your Friday and for the next 7 days. From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, stay weather aware Friday night. All right, we'll get you through it. Past that point, we will clear out for a while on Saturday. Stay that way through the morning hours Sunday before another round of rain and storms rolls through here Sunday night. That'll carry over into your Monday. And then we're going to see yet another round of rain that clips the area here early next week, with temperatures taking a little bit of a back step as well by the middle of next week too. That is a look at your forecast from the Tennessee Valley Weather Team. Thank you so much for watching this update. I'll leave you with a final look at the weather outlook. Make sure you watch Kelly at noon today for the latest, and then Fred along the way this evening right here on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel.